ਸੋ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਐਲਨ ਗਲੈਸਰ ਨਾਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮਵਰ ਫਾਰਮਾਸਿਸਟ ਹਨ ਅਤੇ UBC ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਕਲੀਨਿਕਲ ਇੰਸਟ੍ਰਕਟਰ ਨੇ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ CPR ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਐਡਵੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਾਂ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਜੇਕਰ CPR ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਆਓ ਇसी ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਐਲਨ ਗਲੈਸਰ ਤੋਂ। ਐਲਨ, ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Thank you, Harpreet.
Thank you. So today you have brought this mannequin and a great machine with you. When it comes to CPR, many a times we don't know what is to be done. So how has technology impacted, and a common person like me also who doesn't know to do CPR can get some benefit from this machine?
Okay. The beauty of this particular machine, we're talking about an event where somebody has fallen down, they look like they fainted, you cannot revive them,
Right.
And they may have a heart attack.
Okay.
Okay, especially if as we age, those things can happen.
Right.
And a layperson such as yourself may not know what to do. You heard
Right.
of CPR,
Yeah.
you know something about pushing on the
Yeah,
chest.
just absolutely.
And you think you're supposed to breathe in their mouth. but
Right.
How do you do it? You
No,
know,
no idea about it. Yeah.
it's really, if you knew something, then you do it.
Right.
And as a pharmacist, any pharmacist who has to give a injection,
Right.
we have to go through a course in how to give CPR, how to do this the right way.
Right.
But here's the problem. The problem is just pushing on the heart without any changes, even though you call 911, for every minute that this person has a heart attack,
Absolutely, it's an important time.
right, you lose 10% of the muscle function.
Okay.
The average time to get to you after someone is called 911 is like 10 minutes. Well, it doesn't sound very good.
Right.
Your chance of being resuscitated is extremely low.
Right.
When you use one of these devices
Uh-huh.
that it has the ability to check
Right.
to see if the heart needs to be shocked
Okay.
or not,
Uh-huh.
it's about 50% of the time it will work,
Right.
you have a 95% chance of resuscitation.
Okay.
Even yourself, if you didn't know anything on what to do,
Right.
using this device, which called Zoll AED,
Okay.
it's a defibrillator.
So how do you use it?
That's a really great question. So, someone's on the floor.
Right.
You find them that way.
Uh-huh.
You get your device.
Right.
You open it up.
Okay.
You put this under them.
Okay, so the head should be elevated from the ground.
Well, you need to tilt the head back.
Okay.
So this guarantees.
Right.
When you put this part of the device underneath
That it is
their
above the
shoulder,
ground. Right.
their head's back.
Okay.
The second thing is you have the attachments.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And it tells you exactly here where you're supposed to put it.
Okay.
Right about the nipple line, you put that here.
Right.
And you put this here.
Okay.
And then you press the on button.
Okay.
This quickly does a check to make sure what's going on.
Okay.
And then
So
we're
it is guiding, it is saying,
That's right.
okay.
Responsiveness.
Okay.
Call for help.
Hello, please call 911.
Right.
Attach defib pads to patient's bare chest.
Right.
then
So
we
this is
attach
how
the
it
pad.
keeps on giving you the guidance and you start on utilizing the thing.
That's right. And then it'll, even tell you if you're doing it right.
Right.
Right now, it can't feel me.
Okay.
So you have to give.
Attach defib pads to
Right.
patient's bare chest.
Uh-huh.
So
So after this, then you
After-
start, it keeps on guiding you and you keep on following that instruction.
that's right. So the next step is, say step away. It checks the patient's heart rate,
Okay.
and then it either gives a shock and tells you to step away
It does it on its own?
on its own.
Okay.
Okay. Once you've attached the pads,
Right.
the next step is you got to give about 30 compressions.
Right.
So you're pressing up and down, and as you're pressing up and down,
Right.
it'll tell you harder or
Okay.
softer.
Okay.
Or you're doing it the right frequency.
Right.
So it will tell you that. And if you want to, you can give a breath,
Right.
but now with this device, you don't have to.
Well, that's wonderful.
No longer have to breathe into someone's mouth anymore.
Well, this is a wonderful machine which has come, and I think this should be kept by everyone so that in case of an emergency, you can easily utilize it and can maybe save someone's life.
That's right. I mean, it's the cost is less than $2,000 now. To me, this is real physical life insurance you can pick up and hold in your hand.
Right.
That you got a really good chance of saving someone's life, because we're talking about when this is on a person and it shocks them, 95% of the time, it's able to resuscitate.
Wonderful.
They can come back to life.
Thank you very much, Alan, for bringing this mannequin and this machine, and you have told us about how technology is now playing its role in saving people's life, and even in case of an emergency now, you can be guided by this machine so
Yes.
that you can save someone's life. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਲਨ ਇੱਕ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਨਵੀਂ ਆਈ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ CPR ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ। ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਸੜਕ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਡਿੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਸਟ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਡਰ ਵਜੋਂ CPR ਦੇਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸਦੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਹ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਉਸਦੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਹਾਰਟ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਸਦੇ ਛਾਤੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਦਬਾਉਣਾ 5-10 ਵਾਰੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੀ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਬਲਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਐਂਬੂਲੈਂਸ ਆਏਗੀ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੋਈ ਫਸਟ ਸਟੈਪ ਲਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟਲੀ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਇਸਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ 911 ਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰੋ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਫੈਬਰੀਲੇਟਰ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਰੀਰ ਤੇ ਲਾ ਦਿਓ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫਾਈਨਲੀ ਇਹ ਗਾਈਡ ਦੇਈ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਬਚਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।